This is very exciting. Do you know why this is very exciting? Because I made my own shirt. Okay, I made two. This one was actually supposed to be just a tiny bit more spread out because it kind of looks like a coupe and not a hatchback. Or like, you know those muscle photos that are like squished in? You know, I'll show you. I'll put the original photo on the screen now. But I really dig this one. This one looks super nice. I really dig this. This is on the front and this is on the pocket side front. That's awesome. In today's video, we're finally gonna button up this Mustang. Okay, I really want the full interior done, and we're gonna have some weight reduction with that. I'm gonna try to have the full interior back together in this video. And today, Sunday, the 12th. Am I right? I think it's the 12th. I don't know anymore. It's too early. I'm really tired, but we're gonna do this because I need this Mustang on the ground and ready to go. So I got the seat out, and I was just thinking, like, there's so much wiring and stuff, but the only thing I really want to do is just literally eliminate all of it. But I still need all the lighting. I don't know what to do about that. Like this right here, I thought controlled all the lighting on the interior. It goes to the fuse box right here. So if I put all these wires back together, then the interior lighting should work. But I don't know if there's just an easier way, because if I figured out all the wiring schematic and ran it to there, just like how that is, or just get this to power, or I don't know how I want to do this. But like, I still want to have factory stuff, you know, just being able to use the turn signal and, you know, not the cruise control, but, you know, just typical things that you would normally want to have. But it is a race car, but I do want to drive it on the street. I don't know what to do. Got the old skeleton thingy out, got most of the wirings out. Now I hit those two bolts that actually hold on to the gas pedal. And now I'm gonna figure out how to mock this guy up. If I set it all the way flush, or try to at least, I might have to trim it down just a little bit, but I feel like if I can bolt it up just like that, I need to move the pedal, because it's touching the carpet. I need to move the pedal over like at least an inch, and maybe back an inch. So I think I need to measure out where I can at least cut this off right here, and then move it back virtually an inch right about here, and then just weld it, because then that would move this whole thing over. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'll cut this right about here, and then cut that right about here to move it over an inch, and then see if how far I can go back, say about right about here to here, and then cut and weld. So that's what I'm gonna try. If I fuck up, fuck up. See right there, boys? That's what a grinder and a welder looks like, boy. Factory. And voila, gas pedal is mounted. It's a little dark, can't tell. Oop, but I got a bolt in there, and it works great. Cut, welded, and technically didn't even get close to this. I am perfect, guys. Back seat is out, and just like Kona, it's not going back in, guys. So I got the gas pedal mounted. Everything else I need to figure out, like this whole wiring harness mess that I have no clue what to actually do with.
if you guys actually have done this before, or no, should I? This goes on the whole passenger side. I already cut that off, but I didn't know what the relays were for. I didn't know what this box is. I really just want to delete all the wiring and then just run all the wiring for the taillights, turn signals, and stuff like that. But I feel like that could be kind of hard in a sense, unless I just read a schematic and cut the wires and figured that out. But who knows? That's for another video. But hope you guys liked this video. If you did, drop a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.